Guess what just came in the mail? I was working on my little bumper project, doing the other side, and my foot pedal came in. I've never welded with the foot pedal before. I've been using this finger control, and I hate it. It always causes me to put my hand in a position where when I squeeze the trigger, I start shaking and stuff. So I have an Everlast 160 STH machine, and supposedly this is I bought this from the Everlast company. It's a Nova foot pedal. It's supposed to be the right one for that machine. So quick unboxing. Smells weird. Smells good. So I got my cable. Here's my foot pedal right here. And that's all that came in there. Is one foot pedal. But see, this is going to allow me to hold this torch however I want to. I can hold it like this. I can hold it like this. Hold it how. Oh, I don't want to break it. No more having to have my hand back here. Now I could hold it like a pencil and have more control over it. Hopefully that's how it works. I don't even know how to use this foot pedal besides put your foot on it. I'm going to take a shot at it right now. I'm probably just going to end up maxing it out. Ooh, I like that. Oh, we want to put it. Oh my god. Actually, this is oh my god, this is actually very, very complicated. This is going to take a lot of getting used to, but this is definitely something that I can do with some time. And that's how I started. I got like 3 little dabs right there. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and weld the rest of it. No point in blinding everybody, and come back whenever it's done and talk about how much I like it or not like it. Okay, so here it is. Try to get it so you can see it. Here it is. First weld with the pedal. Not really much better than what I can already do, but this literally was my first shot at it. Really awkward. But to be honest with you, it was actually easier to weld. It's actually a lot easier to weld with the pedal. My hand's not in a bad position. I didn't even come close to dipping my tungsten. Normally, when I'm riding a seam, my electrode would be like this, just trying to, like, you know, and especially whenever I first squeeze the trigger, usually I go like that, just like I can't hardly hold something straight and do that, as dumb as that sounds. And then also whenever I get ready to let off, it's like, yeah, the same thing. So now this gives me the freedom, like I said, normally I'm holding it way out here, and it's wiggly, and my hand, it's hard for my hand to fight the hose, or the wire, or whatever. So now I was holding it like this, and like this. The only thing is your hand will get a lot hotter though. And if you could prop like that, oh my god. It is just so easy. This is a very good investment. I'm about to rip this finger control off. I was trying to pulse the pedal and trying to do that pedal bump stuff to stack dimes. It didn't really work too good. I really don't know how to do that well. It sounds really dumb, but since I might have almost been able to turn this into a pedal. Imagine stepping on that. I mean, at least to turn it on and just hold it, that'd be a lot better than using it like this. Anyway, so long story short, so the conclusion is That's a well spent money right there. That really makes it a lot better. My pedal was 159 and my welder was about 400 and something. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good. I think that was money well spent. And if you're considering getting one, go ahead and just spend the money on it because I like it. Anyway, that's all this video is about.